宜兰，快到了，宜兰，你咧到咯。
Good morning from the capital city of Yilan County, Taiwan. In this video, I will be taking you on a self-guided walking tour of Yilan City. Yilan City isn't just another stop on the map. It's a hidden gem in eastern Taiwan. Whether you're here for the quirky art, fascinating history, or just a laid-back day of exploration, Yilan offers plenty to see, eat, and experience, all without breaking the bank. Yilan City is compact, and many attractions are within walking distance. Public buses are available, but they don't run frequently. If you miss a bus, you may have to wait 30 minutes or more, so plan accordingly. The attractions in this itinerary are within walking distance of each other. We start our walk from the Memorial Hall of the founding of Yilan administration. Built from Yilan's own Taiping-shan cypress, this historic mansion was once the residence of Japanese colonial administrators. Today, it serves as a museum chronicling Yilan's development, offering a glimpse into Taiwan's past. Entrance to the museum is 30 new Taiwan dollars per adult. However, most locals don't visit for the museum. They come to see the real star, station master, the adorable cat guarding the courtyard entrance. After greeting the museum cat, take a stroll through traditional Japanese wooden rooms, admire the serene rock garden, and enjoy the lingering scent of cypress in the air. It's a little pocket of history in the heart of the city. Pro tip: be sure to stop by the ticket counter for free commemorative rubber stamp prints of the museum. The Yilan Museum of Art takes a historic bank building, partially damaged in wartime, and transforms it into a vibrant gallery celebrating local artistry. Entrance is 50 new Taiwan dollars per adult. With rotating exhibitions, you'll find everything from traditional Yilan crafts to modern installations. The preserved architecture alone is worth a visit, blending old-world charm with contemporary creativity. Just like the earlier attraction, don't forget to stop by the front desk for commemorative rubber stamp prints of the museum. This cultural hub isn't just about creativity. It's a deep dive into Taiwan's indigenous heritage. The 9 restored buildings house art, food stalls, and handmade crafts, showcasing the traditions of Taiwan's Aboriginal communities. Take a break on the small lawn where live music performances often take place. Citizens Forest Plaza, just in front of the park entrance, features whimsical Jimmy Liao sculptures, perfect for a photo op. Step into a storybook at Jimmy Square, a whimsical art park inspired by the works of renowned Taiwanese illustrator Jimmy Liao. Once an old railway staff dormitory, this space has been transformed into a vibrant tribute to his art. Walk through life-sized sculptures from Turn Left, Turn Right, a story about 2 lovers forever missing each other. Each installation tells a silent yet touching story, inviting you to step inside and let your imagination wander. Photo tip: the oversized suitcase from Sound of Colors makes for a great travel-themed snapshot. Think a steel frame forest with glass leaves sounds unusual? Welcome to Diu Forest Park. This small but artistic space takes inspiration from Jimmy Liao's works, featuring a flying train suspended between the trees. The whole park feels like a dream world blending nature, industry, and childhood nostalgia. For years, typhoons forced the train's removal before each storm. In 2022, it was rebuilt as Flying Train 2.0, stronger, more colorful, and here to stay. Here's a fun fact. Doo Doo Dang mimics the sound of a train in motion. Don't miss the smiling fish statue, inspired by another of Jimmy's beloved books. Yilan City is a mix of nostalgia, creativity, and history. Whether you're tracing the footsteps of a beloved illustrator, exploring indigenous heritage, or stepping into a piece of Taiwan's past, you'll find plenty to love in this charming city. So, lace up your walking shoes and dive into Yilan, where every street has a story to tell.